your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Itiski Times. What's your? Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs nil kumdlalo weBetway Premiership. Ndinomfowethu abamfowethu. Kuyaphileka noko namhlanje. Sure unabile.
Soft shit man. Game emnandi. Sijabulile to win 3 points in the bag and we continue move on forward.
Ubone njani umdlalo wanamhlanje?
It was a game. I wouldn't even say it was evenly matched. You know, Sundowns showed their quality. Kaizer Chiefs, I think they came here not to lose the game, basically. You know, came here for a draw, if I can put it like that. You know, but it was a great game. I think it was a fair game. We hardly saw any dirtiness from the players. We hardly saw any dirtiness, even from the referee side. You know, unbiased. I think we enjoyed the game. The rain respected us. Till the final minutes, you know. So yeah, it was a great game. You know, we saw both coaches going at it. We saw Coach Nabi trying to answer Sundowns. We saw Coach Cardoso trying to counter Kaizer Chiefs. You know, that showed, especially going into the second half, whereby you see play Kaizer Chiefs. They are left there on the field warm upping. Substitute Sundowns. They are there in the changing room taking instructions. You know, so it was a great game, a very enjoyable game. You know, we approached the game with a back four. We play with T1, we play with Suarez, we play with Koza. You know, it was a big game for Koza, which he played so well. You know, we have to credit to the player. He played like a matured player. He played like a player who will be there in the national team very soon. You know, he played like a player who's ready to play a CAF Champions League final. You know, Club World Cup, would be expecting to see such a player playing there and showing his talent. You know, it showed hearts. He showed hearts. Suarez, I don't want to rave about the guy. I don't want to rave about the guy. Standard performance, matured performance, it shows the age also. You know, you see the quality of the player, you see the maturity, the reading of the game to say, okay, if I'm outmatched here, there were points up by Ulilepo, outmatched him for pace. At certain points it changed. I'm not going to chase him down, I'm just going to close the space. You know, I'm going to run in a certain direction. The defense of Mamelodi Sundowns, I think they had a part that did wonderfully. You know, in the midfield, it was, they were going at it. You know, you saw Tele turning, had it been easy for Ribeiro to press him. I don't know how many times Ribeiro managed to turn around. You know, then you look at the team, Kaizer Chiefs. They did well, man. To concede one goal against Mamelodi Sundowns, it shows that you are here to play. You are not here to get embarrassed. You know, it shows if they can continue to pull off these performances and remain consistent, they can head somewhere. They can get that CAF spot, if I can put it like that.
iSundowns yaziwa njengeteam ibidla ngokuthi kayiteketiswa kuthiwe idlala iShushine and Piano. iSundowns still playing iShushine and Piano in your own opinion? There
are times and intervals whereby you will see it. There are times whereby it's not necessary, if I can put it like that. CAF Champions League, that's what has been hitting us the most, whereby we continue with the consistency of Shushine and Piano, but at points you have to play 30. You have to make it difficult for the teams. You have to play those route one balls. We saw a lot of them today. You know, you can see the rustiness in February, but you saw that those long balls, looking for Renas, looking for a Shalolile. You know, you get to see those types of things. Then you are like, oh, okay. At certain intervals, see them knocking the ball around also. You know, you need to knock the ball around, slow down the tempo, calm down the game. You know, they do it at times. Whereby you see Adams linking up with Allen and Mokwena. You know, just say, guys, let's relax. Then they look for the opening. Then they play that long ball. Whether to Renas or whoever is running, whether it's your fullbacks, Abu Mutau or Abu Tiwan, you play that long ball. You know, so I think it's, let's not expect Shushine and Piano going forward as Mamelodi Sundowns. I think this is what we need. This is what we need going forward. The 50-50, if I can put it like that.
So, as if any Sundowns, you are convinced that okay, we've played the Shushine and Piano for a very long time, and we've won the Betway Premiership 7 times in a row. But now, in order for us to win the CAF Champions League, this is how we need to play. Yeah,
this is how to play if you need to win the CAF Champions League. Play that long ball, get your goal. What's important is to get your goal. Do whatever it takes to get your goal. You know, as soon as you get your goal, then you can stabilize, knock the ball around. You know, go look for the second goal. You know, this is what we need as a team. This is what we need going forward. The CAF Champions League knockout round are very tough, and if you're not gonna counter that toughness, I don't see you going anywhere as a team. You know, but also I'd like to mention, you know, one thing about the goal. It's very expected from Kaizer Chiefs. If you look at the Kaizer Chiefs and the amount of most goals that they've considered, they have considered them between the 30th minute to the 45th minute. Then from the 45th minute to the 60th minute. That is the time whereby Kaizer Chiefs is vulnerable. You know, they show weakness in there. I'm not sure if the players they're focused in the changing room, looking for the tactics from the coach or what. But that's where Kaizer Chiefs concede the most goals. So I was not surprised by Golga Ribeiro coming in during those it was the 41st minute. 47 minutes, yeah. So it was around there. So I was not really surprised, you know. But yeah, going forward as Mamelodi Sundowns, I think this is the type of football that we need, and we'll see it in the knockout rounds how it helps us. You know, you look at Amasab, the coach, whereby we need to be defensive. We are defensive. Putting an extra centre back there, play with the back three of centre backs going forward. When you have to defend, pull Umudao, pull back Utiwane. It's a back five there, pull back Umukwena to come help in defense. You know, at times you'd see a back six actually, especially when Shaluli is on the pitch. You'd see Shaluli on the left or your right hand side helping, you know. But yeah, that's that change.
The return of Ukhuliso Mudau, ubaluleke ngakanani going forward, and quarterfinals is a CAF Champions League just around the corner. I think month end of March ziyaqala. So niyavuya ka nibona Ukhuliso Mudau ebuya just ahead of quarterfinals of CAF Champions League.
Yeah, sijabula kakhulu. The depth in the right position. I think injuries have been killing us a lot. You look at Mtunyela is injured also. You know, you look at Morena. If it's Morena there alone, what if Morena doesn't have a good game? You know, bring in the national starter there, bring in Mudau, bring in the first choice also in Mamelodi Sundowns, Mudau. Him especially is a 1v1 specialist. We know when it comes to tough wingers, we always rely on Ukhuliso Mudau. So his presence and him being back, I think it does us a lot of justice. You know, it's gonna help us going forward, and it's gonna help us, especially in the CAF Champions League.
Well, thank you so much. That's it. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0 kumdlalo weBetway Premiership. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.